Hey, hi, my dear parents. First of all, thank you for clicking on the link. So, what are we going to do in this event? A lot of parents actually think that the students have to finish their 12th or college to create something or to earn money or not to do something. But with the latest technologies and with latest evolution on AI, we can literally do anything. So, in this camp, what we're going to do is we're going to show the kids the potential of AI. So, all we're going to do is we're going to bring their creativity to life. So we are going to train them on how to build apps, websites, images, videos. Imagine that they're composing their own music, using AI and creating their own stories. So we're going to help them to develop these things with the help of AI. So they don't need to wait till their 12th or the college to do this. So this is going to happen in real time. And we are going to introduce them to robotics and IoT. As people believe that AI is future, we strongly believe that hardware is also the future, because AI can literally create anything, but people who are going to work on hardware are going to rule the world in the future as well. And how are you going to evaluate, how are you going to find out that they actually learned something? So at the end of this event, we are going to host a hackathon and competition where these students will implement the learning and they will compete with each other. So the kids have an opportunity to win exciting prizes as well. We have a lot of exciting gifts lined up for them, right? So this is going to be a huge thing, and we are planning this for the first time in Madurai with the help of Jain Vidyalaya, who are like always ahead of tech. Okay, so if you want your kids to be a part of this program, all you got to do is click the link below. We're going to have only few limited seats to make this experience much better. So click on the link and register, and we will take care of them. And we will see you in the event. Bye.